Okay. People driving around the glass. Alright, welcome to this video. This is just, I'm doing some science, and see the description for more information and a link to the spreadsheet where I do the data analysis. Alright, so this is leg 2, 3. This is leg 4. It's got 2 turns or roundabouts and 2 turns or roundabouts, and it's doing well. It is what, about 0.3 miles and like 2 minutes long. I think that's all the metadata I need. Alright, again, it's coming to a stop before the roundabout. It shouldn't. Give it a 3-star for that. Okay, it's going to the shoulder. I'm going to correct it. Okay. So going to the shoulder, that's a 2-star. There we go. Okay. I'm going to take it over because we are here. Alrighty. Let's just pull onto here. And we're going to do leg 5 next. Yeah, I think the road ends right there with the map data, so that's why it's having problems. Alright. To 5. Alright, this is 3 minutes and 0.7 miles with what looks like 2 turns. I don't know if it's going to do that last one into Zupa's parking lot. Yeah, 2 turns then. 2 turns of roundabouts. Alright. And okay. Alright, it's coming to stop for the roundabout when it doesn't need to, so that's a 3-star. Oh, it's going when that car is supposed to be going. Oh, come on. Come on. It's not letting me engage. There we go. So that was a 1-star, because it was going right into the path of that car. Haven't had a 1-star for a while on this bill. Those are pretty rare. Oh no, I think I had one today actually. Okay. It's coming to a stop before entering the roundabout when it doesn't need to. So that's a 3-star. A little jerkiness in the roundabout. Oh, some more jerkiness. Oh, another jerk. Alright, eventually figured it out. Although it did change lanes in the roundabout, so that's not very good. For the way it's steered in that roundabout, I'll have to give it like a 2. It was pretty bad. I didn't take over because there was no one around me, but I would have. Okay, we're here, so I'm going to take over. It doesn't really do entering into parking lots very well, so I didn't see what it did. Okay. There we go. Alright, I'll punch in some more destinations and start another video.